What are the chances I say next item and it's a brand called Item? Cray cray. Hi everyone, I'm Wego Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wego stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stopped by because you were curious what comes in the Ipsy Glamorous Time $45 bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so this box threw me for a loop when it landed on my front porch because this is the old box that they used to send the Ipsy Plus in. Now they do the bag. And then my brain went to Glam Bag X, which is now a soft lilac purple, but I just like, what was that? Because I had forgotten I picked up, when did I pick this up? Sometime in September, I think. I was shopping the add-ons. I don't really care for Ipsy add-ons, but this bundle caught my eye and they were offering some kind of special. If you spent $40, $45 or more, you got a free 111 Skin product. And we all know how bougie pricey those can be. Anyways, yeah. Did I need any more makeup, skincare? Nope. Am I a sucker for a good deal? Yeah. So let's dive in and see what is in this mystery bundle. I've done one other, I will call it a mystery bundle. I don't know if they technically call it. I got a mystery bag or just a bag of stuff from previous boxes. It was like 30 bucks. I don't know. I did a video. You can check it out. And it wasn't too bad for $30. Now this one's $45. So my expectations are a little higher. This is almost the price of the $50 box they used to have where you got 8 products. So we shall see. Okay, enough rambling. What is the first item? Speaking of item, not planned. This is from the brand Item. And it's One Hit Prime, Set, and Refresh. Ooh, it's a dewy face mist. What are the chances I say next item and it's a brand called Item? Cray cray. The universe. Ooh, okay. So this is what the packaging looks like. Let's see how good the spritzer is. Ooh. Nice spritzer. I can tell just by spritzing it. I had 3 other products that from a different unboxing I did today that were spritzer type. This is a really good spritzer. Let's see how it does on my face. Yes. Okay. I love me a good face spritzing product. Primer, setting spray, what have you. And only the kind that have the really fine mist and good spritzers. All right, what else came in this box? What is this? Okay, so we got from the Creme shop a watermelon and kombucha fusion sheet mask. And the other side is a turmeric and matcha. So it's a little pack that has 2 different face masks. Two different face masks, which, you know, for those who enjoy face masks, is a lovely thing. I'm just going to set this aside and move along to the next item. And what is this? Ooh, okay. This is from Violet Voss, and it is the Windflower Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. I love Violet Voss, or at least I have 2 palettes. And I enjoy both of them. Ooh, look at this color story. Yes. Okay. And I love the size of this. I'm going to do a few swatches. Those swatch beautifully. Even though swatches say nothing about how it's going to perform, I love this color story. And so far, every single Violet Voss eyeshadow palette I've tried. I'm excited. Okay, what else came in this box? What is this? We have from Tanais a Sunset to the Stars lip oil duo. I'm not familiar with this brand. Let's see how pigmented or not pigmented these are. Ooh. Okay. I've never seen a lip oil that shimmery, and they look quite pigmented, but let's see. So I don't know if that one will pick up. It's just so light. And there's the other one. Interesting how these are called a lip oil. These feel thicker, more like just a lip gloss. You know how I do. Let's try one on. And to go with my eye look today, let's do the pink. It's lovely. Not sticky. Definitely feels like a lip gloss to me and not a lip oil. It's just thicker than what a lip oil typically is. It's quite pigmented. I don't think it has a scent, and if it does, it's not sweet, not fruity. It's 1 millicentimeter, or whatever they call a scent, scale. Maybe like the chemicals that you make it, but not bad at all. I mean, just, I'm going with it doesn't have a scent. All right. Next item. Okay, so we have some brushes from the super overpriced expensive brand called Laruce. Let's see what type of brushes we got. To be honest, I've received brushes from this brand before, and I'm not impressed with the brushes. Okay, so we got 5 brushes. 3 are face brushes and 2 are eyeshadow. These honestly are the nicest looking brushes I've ever gotten from Laruce. I love how this shade of blue, normally they're black, like everything's black, including the, what do you call this? The bristles. And they aren't very, I don't know. These are soft. These feel lovely. I do see a stray, but these have promise. Okay, I'm super curious how much they say these cost. Next item, we have from Doucce, a Posh powder palette. Say that 5 times fast. What is a Posh powder palette? Ooh. All right. This is beautiful. So it has some blushes and some highlighters. The only thing right off the bat I don't like is this does not fold back like flat. So it sticks at this angle. But these are beautiful. Okay, I'm going to do some swatches. Okay, so here are the 3 blush shades. And here are the highlighters. I don't know what will pick up on camera. I am so fair. Maybe you can see them on my fingers better. That is lovely. This box is so far so good. Next item. What is this? It's like a 2-pack. Don't know if that was intentional. Let me take them out to see if they're the same brand or 2 different products. Okay, so both of these products are from Farsali. The package in the turquoise box is a Skintune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. Okay. Look how beautiful the packaging is. This is real glass. There is plastic around the top here. I'm going to leave it sealed. I have 821 primers going at the moment. I'm exaggerating slightly, but I have a lot. Let's take a look at the other Farsali product. This here is the Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. That sounds lovely and delightful. I love I don't want to say shiny. I love glowy skin. This is what the glowy skin product looks like. This again is also glass. And again, there is plastic wrap around the top. All right, I'm excited to try those products. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Farsali. Next item. Okay, so this must be the special 111 skin product they promised, which is a hyaluronic acid aqua booster. That sounds lovely. I can't wait to look up and see how much this sucker goes for. Alright, so there's the packaging. This feels like glass, not safety sealed. Let me just squirt, you know, $32 onto my skin. It has a very subtle, barely there, if at all, scent of just lovely skincare. All right, that went into my arm. Okay, and then the last item is a bag, and it says Your Magic, and I'm fairly certain this is the bag that was from last October. By then they'd switched to the Glam Bag Plus having those drawstring, I can't stand them. But this seems larger than what just the normal Ipsy bag. I don't know, I'm confused, but I'm fairly certain this design was from last year. If you remember better than I do, leave me a comment and let me know. Okay, let's recap what came in this box. We got a blush and highlighter palette, a fun-size Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, a 5-piece brush set from Laruce, a priming and setting spray from Item Beauty, a primer from Farsali, a liquid glass glow product from Farsali, 2 sheet masks from the Creme shop, a lip oil dual from Tanais, and a bonus item from 111 Skin. What are your thoughts? I thought this was pretty good. I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total. I am fairly certain I got my money's worth. And I'm actually going to keep the 111 Skin product separated from the others because that was not part of this box. It was kind of a bonus for spending more than $45 or $40. Yeah, so Ipsy doing good. There wasn't really spoilers, but they did mention you'd get something from Farsali. I do remember that. Don't remember anything else. So I'm happy there was 3 makeup items. If you count the brushes, and then we got an eyeshadow palette and the face palette. That's good. I love some skincare. And the primer, that's more makeup. It's skincare makeup. Yeah, so this is pretty good. Let me know which item was your favorite. And in hindsight, if this is still available, would you get it? Or do you wish you would have gotten it? Yeah, Ipsy sometimes can be hit or miss. They've been more hit lately, so I'm impressed. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me the biggest favor, it takes 2 seconds out of your day. If you could click that thumbs up button, it really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.